How to transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Google Play balance to your PayPal account. So first of all, just open your Play Store and just click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen. And after that, just click on help and feedback. Since there is no way to transfer your Google Play balance to another platform, and if you still want to transfer the balance, your Google Play balance to your PayPal account, you have to take customer support on Google Play. So after that, in this page, just click on contact us, and here just type in the issue that you are facing in transferring. So just click on transfer balance and click on next. And after that, you have to choose the best description of the issue that you are facing. So I'm just gonna click on about play balance and click on next step. And here you will read this in order to get to know that how you can transfer the balance. So that is how you will be able to transfer your Google Play balance to your PayPal account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.